Hi, today let's continue discussing archetypes. And once again, archetypes are character types that represent universal ideas and themes. So sometimes these archetypes, they actually are repeating. Sometimes some archetypes are kind of the same. So last time we talked about mentor. Today let's talk about another archetype that is kind of the same. So that is an archetype of a wise old man or woman. So, a wise old man or woman is a sage or mentor figure who possesses wisdom, insight, and guidance, often serving as a source of knowledge for the hero. Examples would be Merlin in Arthurian legends or Yoda in the Star Wars franchise. The only difference between this and a mentor is that sometimes a wise old man and woman is not always a fixture in a person's life. So, apart from Yoda, there may be other old people that the hero may have met. And it could be something that they just met once or twice. But the meeting had imparted significant wisdom and helped the hero significantly. Why do we have this archetype? Because wise older men and women, we associate them with wisdom gained through experience.